Hi, I'm Pat, Axway's Integration Patterns Specialist. If you're here with me today, you're most likely wanting to implement a cloud-to-ground integration. Great, that's exactly what I'll help you achieve today. Let's look at what we'll achieve in this video. First, we'll learn how to register your Cloud App access. We'll also learn how to register your Ground App access. Then, we'll learn how to use a cloud-to-ground flow template. And finally, we'll see how to test your cloud-to-ground flow instance. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything ready to do this integration. First, you'll need an account on Axway's AMPLIFY platform with Integration Builder. Simply verify that you can connect to platform.axway.com and then open the Integration Builder from the home page. Next, make sure you have access to your Cloud App and that it allows application integration. In this video, we'll use Salesforce. We'll need to make sure that API access is enabled in Salesforce. Note that this option is currently only available with developer or enterprise accounts. For the Ground App, we'll need to verify that an API definition is available. Let's start by planning our cloud-to-ground integration. A cloud-to-ground integration is when you create a logical flow between a cloud app and an on-premise app. For example, you may want to update an on-prem database each time you have a new lead in Salesforce. So to do this, we'll use Integration Builder to implement a cloud-to-ground integration between Salesforce and an instance of a Mongo database running on-premise. First, let's see how to register our Cloud App access in Integration Builder. Open Integration Builder from the AMPLIFY homepage. Click on Connectors in the left menu. You'll see here a list of all available connectors. Find the Salesforce Sales Cloud connector in the list. You can filter on Salesforce as a keyword in the connectors search bar. Mouse over the connector and click Authenticate. Fill in the form to create your Salesforce Sales Cloud connector instance. Enter a name like My Corporate Salesforce Account. In the Event Configuration section, enable Event, since we will want to receive events from this account for each new opportunity. Select the webhook event type. Enter 12345 for the notification callback URL and lead as the object to monitor. Click on Create Instance and wait for the Cloud App to prompt for credentials. Sign in with your Salesforce account. Allow the AMPLIFY platform to access your Salesforce account. And we're done configuring the Salesforce access. Now, let's configure our Ground App access in Integration Builder. Open Integration Builder from the AMPLIFY homepage. Click on Connectors in the left menu. You'll see here a list of all available connectors. Click on Build a New Element. Now, click on the Import button and select the Swagger option. Then, select the Swagger file and click on Continue Import. Next, click on Select All Resources, then Import and Save. You are ready to create a new flow instance. Now click on Authenticate Instance. Set the name to My Ground App. And now we're done configuring the Ground App access. Now, let's see how to use these connectors in a flow. Click on Flows in the left menu. You'll see here a list of all the available flows. Find Salesforce to On-Prem Legacy Application in the list. Mouse over the flow and click on Create Instance. Fill in the form to create your flow instance. Give it a name like My Salesforce to On-Prem Legacy Application. Set the flow variables. Select My Corporate Salesforce Account for the source instance variable, and select My On-Prem Application for the target instance variable. Click on Create. You have now completed your first cloud-to-ground integration. Now, we just need to test our cloud-to-ground integration flow. You can create a new lead in Salesforce, and you should see a related record in the on-premise Mongo database. Congratulations! You're now able to register your Cloud App Access, register your Ground App Access, use a Cloud-to-Ground flow template, and test your Cloud-to-Ground flow instance. Next, you may be interested in watching the Implementing a Ground-to-Cloud Integration video. You can access that by clicking on the link.